How to fix Wi-Fi driver missing in Windows laptop or PC. So if you want to fix your Wi-Fi driver missing in your Windows laptop or PC, then what you need to do is right click on your Windows or Start icon and then go with Device Manager. Once you're in the Device Manager, you need to go with Network Adapters and then select your network connection. And from here, you need to go with Properties. And under Properties, you'll have Disable Device. You need to click on Disable Device and then click on Yes and disable your device at first. Once you've disabled, next thing you need to do is update your driver. So click on Update Driver and then click on Search automatically for drivers. And if it has already been installed, then you can also go with the second option, which is Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick one, go with Next and update it. Once done, you can just simply go back, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.